Hi guys, it's Brian Lofty with Brian Lofty Lawn Care, and in today's video we got a little tune-up kit sent to us by HIPA360, and we're going to tune up our exmark turf tracer with a KAWASAKI FS481V, and the parts that they sent us in the kit: 2 spark plugs, a fuel filter, oil filter, and an air filter. And the tools needed: oil filter wrench, 2 11/16 wrenches, a 13/16 spark plug wrench, a pair of pliers to get the clamps off the fuel filter, a drain pan, oil. We'll set y'all up. Stay tuned. First, we're going to drain the oil. You want to let that drain. Alright, we're going to let that drain. Come back to that when it's finished. We're going to change the air filter. And to change your air filter, loosen these up right here. Pull this off. Unscrew the clamp. Pull the old one off. Clean this out. Put the new one on. Tighten it back down. Put it back in the slot. Sit this down. It was caked up, guys. Hasn't been changed in a while. Next, we're going to change the fuel filter. Turn the gas off. There'll be a little gas come out when you change. Pull this off. Take your other clamp. Take your old one. Put it on the right direction of the flow, which will be this way with the arrow. Slide it in. Put your clamps back. and you're good to go. Turn your gas back on. And that should be it. Alright guys, now we're going to change the spark plugs. There's one on this side and one on the other side. We'll change this one first. Pull the boot off. Take your spark plug wrench. Screw it. I'll have to hand start it. Tighten it up. That's that side. Let's go over here. Take the boot off. Loosen it up. Same as the other side. Your spark plug. Barely. Not too tight to strip it out. Put your boot back on. And that's how you change your spark plugs on it. Alright guys, the oil is drained out now. What you want to do, put your drain plug back in. Tighten it back up. Now we can take our oil filter off. I usually put a t-shirt down to keep it from getting oil everywhere. What you want to do on your new oil filter, fill it up with oil a little bit. Get a little oil on your finger, around your ring right here. Rub some oil. Now, take your old one out. Make sure the old ring is not still left on there. I'll have to hand tighten. Get your oil filter wrench again. Tighten it up. All right. Put your funnel in. Put the whole one in there, about 1.5 quarts. any excess oil that dropped out here. Wipe off. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. That's the tune-up kit HIPA 360 sent us. We put it on. If you want to, you can check them out at HIPA360.com. And that's our tune-up on our Exmark turf tracer with the KAWASAKI FS481V. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe.